Hi, and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a fall crow that is standing on a fence with some pumpkins around like he's sitting in a pumpkin patch. On the left hand side is the print and cut, and you can see that the layers didn't show up very well. He was printed on a laser printer, so you can't really tell the difference between the layers on that one. Once we get these gray and black layers glued down, then you'll get more of an idea what he looks like. So this crow is about 6 inches wide, and that is including the oval that he's standing on, so that gives you an idea of what size he is. So now we are adding the cheeks. There are 2 layers. Of course, you don't have to use them, or you can just do 1 layer. It is up to you. So the great thing about this SVG is that not only do you get the crow, but you get some pumpkins, you get the vine for the pumpkin, the fence, which makes this SVG very versatile. You can use these extra shapes on different projects. So it's nice to have all these different options. So I want to say thank you again for all the nice comments you guys are leaving me. You guys are all so awesome. Let me know if you guys have any fall shapes you want to see in the 1 minute makes. Put that in the comments down below. We are going to finish this pumpkin up, and then we are going to glue the crow's feet to the top of the fence, and then add the fence to the little oval of dirt. Hit the like button if you guys like this SVG. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't done that, and I will see you on the next 1 minute make. Thanks for watching.